Now, the next thing we just need to do, once you've added your own line of code, is I'm going to remove this line. There we go. So, we're showing exactly which player has rolled what score on their dice. Now let's do the finding out who the winner is. So for this, we're going to do an if. So we go if score 1. I'm going to make a mistake, see if you know what it is in a moment or two, is equal to score 2, then colon, and in a new line, print both players drew with a score of space and you might as well put score 1. It doesn't matter which one you put. There we go. Now, there's a mistake. Let's see if we can work out where the mistake is. If I look, that's been underlined. You can see the little red squiggle. So I know there's a mistake. If I run it, something, well, it's not going to work properly. I can run it, I can ignore the underline. Oh, and here it comes up. So what I want to do is I actually want to say, well, try and work it out for myself. So it's saying syntax error down here. Now, a syntax error means the way I've written it is wrong. So I'm going to have a look and I go, oh, okay, what is up? Well, I've used a lowercase I, so that's fine. And score is right, and score 2 is right, and I've done a colon and I've tabbed it, but so the only thing left by process of elimination is the equals. And I remember now. A single equals is an instruction saying score 1 will become equal to score 2. But what I want is a question. And for questions, we use a double equals. So now it's saying if score 1 is equal to score 2. So I stop my code up there, I run it now, and it all works. So what's the name of the first player? I'm going to be boring, A and B. A is rolled a 6, and B is rolled a 2. Okay, so now I could keep trying it until I get a draw. So I'm hoping it works, and I'm hoping a bit later, when I test it, it will let me know. But you might ask, well, why start with the draw? Well, this is going to be a nested if. I'm now going to use an else if. And if you remember, well, let's do else if score 1 is more than, remember your crocodile, score 2. Then, with colons, print player 1, which is the winner, with a score of space plus string str in brackets score 1. Okay, I've put some errors in there. What I want you to do before you go to the next video is see if you can work out where my errors are and what they are. Okay, away you go.